Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I know I haven't done one of these in a long time, but I got my hands on the new Wet n Wild collection, the 2018 collection, which looks like this. And I really couldn't decide which palette I wanted to use, so I used a couple of colors out of every single palette. So this eyeshadow look is very simple. I'm just getting my day started, so I thought I'd do something simple. I didn't want nothing too bright because, you know, I gotta run a little bit of errands. And I wanted something to complement my necklace right here, which I bought off of my best friend because she sells paparazzi jewelry. And every single item is $5. So the necklace and the earrings came as a set. And it is good quality. So if you guys wanted her information to purchase some jewelry off her website, I will leave her link down below, so you can go ahead and check her out. And every piece is $5. So every piece is $5. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. My camera is about to die, but I still got to take my pictures. So let's go ahead and move on to the tutorial. So here we go. So the first palette we're going to take is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. We're going to take this transitional color, which is number 10, and we're going to take the Morphe M441 brush, and we're going to place this into the crease and blend it out. Just blend. The next Wet n Wild palette is Not a Basic Peach, and we're going to use this transition shade, which is number 10. The brush we are going to use is the Morphe Y19, and we're also going to create dimension, and we're going to also place this on top of that first color that we placed on the crease. Now we're going in with the Comfort Zone palette, and we're going to also go in with that transition shade number 10, and we are using a MAC 217 brush, and we're also going to place that into the crease. The fourth palette that we're going to use is Nude Awakening, and we're going to use the Morphe M433 brush, and we're going to just place this on the outer V, and we are placing all these colors just to create dimension and a gradient effect. So back into the Not a Basic Peach palette, we're going to use the brown, and we're going to darken the outer V. And the brush we are using is the Morphe M433 brush. So back in the Rose in the Air palette, we're going to take this color right here, and we are going to place this color on the whole entire mobile lid with the Morphe M166 brush, and we're just going to pack that color on to make it seem more opaque. Okay, so we're still in the Rose in the Air palette. We're going to take this shimmery color, and we're going to place this on the brow bone area with a Morphe 239 brush. So we're going to take that same color, and we're going to place it into the inner tear duct with a pencil brush. You can use any pencil brush. I think this was the MAC pencil brush. So we're just going to place this in the inner tear duct. So we're going back in with the Not a Basic Peach palette. We're going to take that transitional color number 10 and we're going to place that on the lower lash line. Okay, so now we're going to highlight. What I'm using right now is the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. And I'm just going to place a couple of dots under my eye, on my nose, on my Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. And then we're going to blend it out with a beauty blender, a wet beauty blender. To set all of those concealed areas, we're going to go ahead in with the Sacha Buttercup, and we are not going to bake or anything. I'm just going to place this on my face with the Real Techniques complexion sponge and blend it out until you can't see it anymore. Now we're going to use this Midnight powder. It is in the color Sienna, and we're going to brush this all over the face, even the highlighted areas, just to make sure that everything is blended all together. So now it's time to contour and highlight. We're going to take the Juvia's Place, the Saharian Blush 1 palette. The contour color that I'm using is called Abby, and the highlighting color that we're going to use is called Zara. And we're just going to highlight and contour with these beautiful, beautiful colors. For the lip combo, we're going to use this CoverGirl matte liquid lipstick. I forgot the color, and we're going to line our lips with a Jordana pencil called Lavish Brown. And we're just going to outline our lips, and then we're going to place the liquid lipstick inside the center of our lips. So that is about it. That is the whole tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I'm getting my groove on because, you know, I'm listening to some music in the background. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.